The layer of the hair that provides strength and elasticity is the blank cortex. In individual hair stand, hair texture is determined by the blank diameter. If the cuticle is lifted, allowing the hair to take color quickly, the hair is said to have blank high porosity. Hair color levels are arranged on a scale from blank 1 to 10. Hair color tones can be described as blank, warm, neutral, or cool. Colors that are described as sandy or tan are considered blank, natural tones. Which color will help minimize orange tones in the hair? Blue. Pure or fundamental colors that cannot be achieved from a mixture are blank, primary colors. The strongest and only cool primary color is blue. Red added to blue base-based colors will cause them to appear blank, lighter. A blank color is achieved by mixing a secondary color and its neighboring primary color, tertiary. Depending on the level of color, equal proportions of the primary colors will produce blank, gray, white, and black. A primary and secondary color positioned opposite each other on the color wheel are considered blank, complementary colors. Temporary color pigment molecules do not penetrate because they are blank, large. Semi-permanent hair color on average should last blank 4 to 6 weeks. Which type of hair color penetrates the hair shaft and is formulated to deposit but not live color? Demi-permanent hair color. Which type of hair color lightens and deposits color at the same time and in a single process because it's more alkaline than no-live deposit-only colors and is usually mixed with a higher volume developer? Permanent hair color. To provide maximum lift in a one-process color service, most high-lift colors require 40 volume. During decolorization process, natural hair can go through as many as blank 10 stages. Overlapping color can cause breakage and create a sign of roots or blank, a line of demarcation. The forms of hair lighteners are blank, oil, power, and cream. In blank, selected strands are picked up from a narrow section of hair with a zigzag motion of the comb and lightener is applied only to these strands. Weaving. To cover unpigmented hair in a salt and pepper current, the color formulation should be blank, 2 levels lighter than the natural level. For clients with 80 to 100% gray, which hair color is generally most flattering? A blonde shade. The process of pre-treating gray or very resistant hair to allow for better penetration is known as blank pre-softening. On a lightener retouch, new growth is lightened blank first. To produce a hair color that looks natural, how many primary colors must be present? 3. The best way to obtain pale blonde results is to use double process blonding. When hair is violet, it is recommended that you use blank yellow. When hair is blue, it is recommended that you use blank orange. Selecting blank base colors creates brighter colors. Warm. Demi-permanent hair color blank color. Deposits but does not lift. During a hair color consultation, you should blank. Look at the client directly. Which of these words is the best choice to use when discussing hair color with clients? Good, bleached, soft, or frosted? Soft. When performing a patch test, which color should you use? The same shade that will be used for the hair color service. Hair that has previously received a color service will have a greater degree of porosity. Underlightened hair is likely to appear to have more blank than the intended color, yellow or orange. The term blank or hue refers to balance of color, tone. What coloring technique requires two separate procedures in which the hair is pre-lightened before the depositing color is applied? Double process application. The melanin that gives blonde and red colors to hair is called pheomelanin. The powdered persulfate salts added to the hair color to increase its lightening ability are called activators. The term blank refers to a combination of equal parts of a prepared permanent color mixture and shampoo. Use the last 5 minutes and work through the hair to refresh the ends. Soap cap. Blank refers to the varying degrees of warmth exposed during a permanent color or lightening process. Contributing pigment. What is the technique of coloring strands of hair darker than the natural color? Reverse highlighting. What is the unit of measurement used to identify the lightness or darkness of a color? Level. What is the proper way to write the term that refers to the natural color of the hair? Hair color. A blank is a chemical compound that lightens hair by dispersing, dissolving, and decolorizing the natural hair pigment. Lightener. Which of these measures the concentration and strength of hydrogen peroxide? Intensity, volume, level, or tone? Volume. Colors obtained from the leaves or bark of plants are called blank. Natural hair colors. A blank is a non-ammonia color that adds shine and tone to the hair. Filler. The term blank means difficult for moisture or chemicals to penetrate. Resistant. What is used to recondition damaged or overly porous hair and equalize porosity so that the hair accepts the color evenly from strand to strand and from scalp to ends? Conditioner filler. Blank is an oxidizing agent that, when mixed with an oxidation hair color, supplies the necessary oxygen gas to develop the color molecules and create a change in natural hair color. Hydrogen peroxide developer. A blank is used to equalize porosity and deposit color in one application to provide a uniform contributing pigment on pre-lightened hair. Color filler. The process that involves taking a narrow 1/8 inch section of hair by making a straight part at the scalp, positioning the hair over foil, and applying lightening or color is called slicing. The system for understanding color relationships is called the law of color. The term refers to the first time the hair is colored. Virgin application. Which type of melanin lends black and brown colors to the hair? Eumenin. A blank is a powdered lightener that cannot be used directly on the scalp. Of the scalp lighteners. Hair colors containing metal salts that changes hair color gradually by progressive buildup and exposure to air, creating a dull, metallic appearance, are called gradual hair colors. A blank is a test performed to determine how the hair will react to the color formula and how long the formula should be left on the hair. Strength test. When identifying natural levels for a hair color surface, your most valuable tool is the blank color wheel. The medium primary color is red. Which type of color adds subtle color results? Semi-permanent color. What is the role of the alkalizing ingredient in permanent hair color? To raise the cuticle of the hair. Henna is an example of what type of hair color? Natural hair color. What is the standard hydrogen peroxide volume? 20 volume. Semi-permanent colors blank. Deposit color. What does it mean to desaturate a color? Remove color. A consistency provides the best control during the application of lightener as part of a double process hair coloring service. Creamy.